Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you some DIY rice water for your face. For this you need 2 tablespoons of rice and some water. Wash the rice nicely until it turns cloudy. You would see some dirt removed from the rice. Discard the dirty water and use fresh water to clean the rice again. Now pour some fresh water again and allow it to soak for 20 minutes. After soaking for 20 minutes, you can cook this rice. Extract the water from the cooked rice, and this is the rice water that we would use on the face. I'm using the back of the spoon to gently press the cooked rice and extract the water. Now I'm going to pour this rice water into a container. To this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of rose water essence. I'm going to mix it for a couple of seconds and then use it on my skin. Now I'm going to take a few drops of this mixture on my fist and rub it gently into my skin. This is the patch test I'm using to check if these ingredients are suitable for my skin. If you have a dry skin, you could add a few drops of aloe vera gel and vitamin E oil to this mixture. It will give you nice and soft, moisturized skin. If you're happy with this patch test, you can apply this mixture on your face and wash it after 20 minutes. You would see a nice result.